Alright, this is going to be basement fire alarm test 10. Let's go ahead and look at all the devices we got up today. The pull station today is this PyroChem dual action push and pull station. I forget the exact model number of it, but there it is. And if we go right up above it, there is a Wheelock AS-24 MCW set on 15 candela, and there's a sync module directly above it. So let's go ahead and set off the alarm. And up there we have audible silence, and the strobe is flashing away, and that sync module is also clicking. So now we'll go to the pull station. So that's the end of the test. Thank you for watching. As always, be sure to check out my GroupMe and eBay. Both are in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.